Hi everyone, welcome to Roger Journal. My name is Alice. I'm so happy to have you back in my Junk Journal with Me video. So in this video, I'm gonna journal about a festival that I'm going every year. It is a festival of lights. It is my favorite thing about LYON. It is usually for 4 days around December 8th. And you can see spectacular artworks of lights in the streets and squares. So of course I went to the last one and finally found time to print the photos that I took. So these are the photos I took. I printed them on glossy photo papers. They were a lot, so I had to choose less than several to journal with. I chose this page to work on because I knew today's journaling would be photo heavy, so I needed quite a space, and this page had one fold out and one small page in the middle, so I thought this page would work. So I trimmed the photos a little bit. These are the places that I liked the most in the festival. And I extended the small page in the middle by gluing a memo paper. Then I wanted to add some washi tapes to add a little bit of interest in the background. This is my washi tape sample book. So I pulled out more washi tapes and started to add them on the page. I wanted to back the photos, so I backed this small photo with a tag from my Flea Market printable and others with vintage linens from the same printable. This is a photo of my favorite show of the festival this year. I mean, it is already last year, but it was a month ago. I loved it so much, I watched it like 5 times. It was in front of the LYON Art Museum. They projected lights to the museum building facade with music. I took a video of it and I thought I want to share it with you, so I decided to include it at the end of this video. I took it with my iPhone, so it's not perfect, and I took only the last 2 minutes. The whole show was actually around 9 minutes. But if you like this photo and the one at the bottom on the right page, which is LYON City Hall located right next to the museum, I think you're gonna like it. I hope so. So I'm continuing to back the photos with vintage linen printables. I fussy cut the embroideries on the doily and edited them at the top and at the bottom of the photos because they were very dressy and the gold color went well with the photos. I'm covering the back of the photo because it was showing when I flipped the small page. And I made a tuck spot to store the leftover photos. I opened the foldout and added another photo of the art museum. Then made kind of a frame with a narrow washi tape. I made another tuck spot with a vintage linen scrap that I just cut. And tri-folded another full-size vintage linen for the tuck spot. To finish the page, I pulled out some phrases. And added tiny pieces of washi tape on the photos. It had gold foil stars on it, so I thought it's perfect with the photos. The last, I added one more washi tape and stamped the dates. I went to the festival for 2 days, so that's why I stamped the date 2 times. I'm writing about the 2 nights that I went to the festival. I really enjoyed journaling with photos that I took, and I was very happy to document the Festival of Lights in my journal. I hope you enjoyed this journaling process. You might know already, but I'm doing a giveaway on my channel. I'm giving away a notebook that I made. So if you haven't entered, click the card at the top. If you like the vintage linen printable that I used in this journaling, you'd want to definitely check the giveaway because I made a notebook with the same printable. So yeah, I hope you liked today's journaling process. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. And if you have any questions, leave in the comment below. If you want to know more about the Festival of Lights or want to watch the full show that you will see at the end of this video, there will be the information and links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you too like the show. Enjoy!